Hello, my Sonegateer Sega girl here. So I was playing Squishy Tank that first time and I was like, why am I dying? This is such a simple puzzle game. And it's because there's a way to play it. And I think maybe I figured it out. And I'm going to show you guys. It's not just being squishy and being a tank and just clicking the buttons of the same color. You kind of got to click some special buttons. So let's go push my buttons. One more thing, the seller that I purchased this from is XXXOF Triple X OnlyFans. That's what it sounds like, but it's not. Really cute name, XXXOF. Seller is currently on vacation, but cute name.
So I think you have to, I think you have to press those special buttons, you see? I think that's what you're supposed to do. Like, click special buttons like that. That's what I'm assuming. The music's really cute. Here's my tank. I think I'm doing this correct. I'm not sure. It's just fun. Hey kid, how's it going? Oh, hello, Type 90 tank. Why are we getting blown up in our own game? Well, what did you expect? The point of this game is to toughen you all up. Toughen us up? Oh, I have a tank game on the PS1, Tiny Tank. That's right, a little exploding is good for you. Oh yes, it is. I like exploding.